If you need to remove a payment method from your Afterpay account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Afterpay account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Once logged in, look for the Account or Settings section. Click on it to find the Payment Method option. Step 3. Select the payment method. In the Payment Methods section, you will see a list of all the payment methods linked to your account. Identify the payment method you wish to remove. Step 4. Remove the payment method. Click on the option to remove or delete the selected payment method. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm changes. After removing the payment method, ensure that the changes are saved. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the payment method has been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment methods in Afterpay. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay customer support for assistance.